हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू learntalkmoney.com। दिस इज योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त समित अग्रवाल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है गॉड एंड मनी। अलग अलग देशों की करेंसी में भगवान को कितनी महत्वता दी गई है, ये हम आज सीखेंगे। सो शैल वी बिगिन? हियर वी गो। डू यू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस पिक्चर? Yes, they are from Avengers. The one on the right is Odin with a patch on eye. Odin is the god of Norse mythology. He is the father of Thor. On the left, the former king of Asgard. And do you know, in various mythologies, there is a talk of god of money. If you take our Hindu mythology, Kuber is the god of wealth. He is the brother of Ravana. And initially, he was the kingdom of Lanka. But Ravana drove him away and also took Kuber's flying machine, the Pushpak Viman. Lakshmi ji, she is the god of fortune and good luck. Hindus pray to Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi on Diwali. So that fortune and good luck, we also get wisdom to spend it wisely. If you see Greek mythology, then Greek god of wealth is Pluto. In ancient times, Saishenye was the god of wealth in China. And of course, the god of wealth of Norse mythology is Odin. Where did the word money came from? The word money, it comes from Latin word monte. This is the place in Rome where money was first made and stored. And the temple of Juno Moneta at Rome was the place where mint of ancient Rome was located. That is how we got the name money. Do you know the names of the days of week? They are also came from various gods. Like Sunday, named after sun god, and Monday from the moon god. Tuesday comes from the word tu, that is Mars. Wednesday comes from Woden, Mercury. Thursday is the day of Thor, Jupiter. Friday, Freya, Venus. Saturday comes from Saturn. So that is how we got names of the week. Interesting, isn't it? In Hindi also, it comes from various gods. Sunday is called Ravivara. Ravi is sun. Somavara is Monday. Som is moon. Tuesday is Mangalvara. Mangal, Mars. Wednesday, Budhvara. Budh is Mercury. Thursday, Guruvara. Guru or Brahaspati is Jupiter. Friday, Shukravara. Shukra is Venus. Saturday, Shanivara. Shani is Saturn. See how much similarity is there? Do you know money says in God we trust? And in different countries and different culture, on the notes, coins, and stamp, they all honor national heritage and glory. For example, in India, we had coins with the picture of temples. And on our note, if you see rupees 50 note, there is a temple of Hampi. Can you recognize which temple is it? Right, Vithala temple. And on 10 rupees note, there is a very famous temple of Konark, Odisha. Can you guess which one is this? That's correct, Sun Temple. Sanchi Stoop in Madhya Pradesh is on the latest 200 rupees note issued by RBI. So why don't you look at the latest 200 rupees note that your parents have? If you look at some of the old notes, prior to colonization of India by East India Company, where Britishers came and took control of India, various kings of India they had imprinted the images of their gods on one side of the coin, and on other side was the symbol of their kingdom. Several kingdoms, for example, Tanjore Nayaks, Madurai Nayaks, Cheras, Cholas, Vijayanagar Empire, And even some Nawabs, they had the image of Ganesha imprinted on their coins. If you see a series of gold Rama Tankas, they originated in Vijayanagar Empire. It featured the scene of Rama's coronation when Sri Ram became the king of Ayodhya. A temple token depicting Jagannath triad on one side and Radha Krishna on another side. That is also you will see. A 1,000 rupees currency note by RBI released on 1st April 1954. It honored the historical Brihadishwara temple of Tanjore, which is the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Haven't you heard of Brihadishwara temple? And on 2013, on Silver Jubilee of Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board, RBI issued a commemorative rupees 5 and rupees 10 coins carrying the image of Vaishno Devi. Do you know, even in other countries like Indonesia, if you see a rupiah of 20,000 denomination printed in 1998, it had the image of Ganesha along with Ki Hajar Devantara, who was a freedom fighter and a renowned propagator of education for Indonesian children. And the back of currency note has an image of children in classroom. If you see Australia, then in 2018, Australia printed commemorative coins depicting a colored image of Ganesha in a dancing posture. The coin brought out by Perth Mint was on the occasion of Deepavali. Thailand also released a commemorative coin in 2012 with Lord Ganesha on it. If you see a US dollar note, it says, "In God we trust," which is the official motto of United States of America and the US state of Florida. So guys, I hope you liked our video and you learned a lot about the money, God and various myths. Please follow our website learntalkmoney.com and bemoneyaware.com. We'll come back to you with more interesting stories. For now, we'll take your leave. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you, goodbye, tata, adios.